Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the question answers of the chapter The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. Let us do. First question is, for whom does the prince send his sapphires and why? Sapphires, are the gems in his eyes, both the eyes. So, for whom does this prince send his sapphires? The playwright was very poor. There is a playwright in this story. He is a young boy. He was poor. He was incapable of buying food and firewood. So the prince sent the sapphires for the playwright so that he could finish his play for the director of the theatre. If he would give his play, only then he would get some money. So the prince sent his second sapphire to a poor match girl. There is a girl who is very poor who used to sell the matchboxes, but his matchboxes fell into the gutter. So she was afraid of her father because they were poor, how they would do, what they would do now. So the prince told the swallow bird to give one sapphire to the playwright and another to the match girl. Now, describe the young man in the garret. Why could he not able to complete his play? Again, the question is related to the playwright. Why he was not able to complete his play? He was a young playwright. He was leaning over a desk covered with papers. His hair were brown and crisp and his lips were red. He was not feeling well because of cold. He had large and dreamy eyes. He was trying to finish a play for the theatre, but he was feeling cold and he was not able to complete in time, as there was no firewood for warmth. He was hungry also, so he was fainted. So he could not be able to finish his play unless and until the prince would have helped him on time by providing him a sapphire. How did the prince and the swallow enable the playwright to finish his work? How they helped him? How they Now the playwright was feeling very cold and hungry. He could not finish his play. So the prince asked the swallow to pluck one sapphire of his eye and hand it over to the young playwright. In this way they helped the playwright. Why did the swallow decide not to leave the prince? The swallow, otherwise he had to go to Egypt, but he decided that he would not leave the prince, he would stay with him. Why he decided? The prince had given the sapphires from his eyes to the poor. He was now completely blind. Therefore, the swallow decided to stay with him. Now the prince was blind. He could not see anymore. So, swallow was a kind-hearted bird. He decided to stay there only. Describe the statue of the happy prince. So, the statue of the happy prince, it was covered with thin leaves of fine gold. It had two bright sapphires for its eyes. There was a large red ruby on its sword hilt. Now, statue of happy prince, it was very beautiful. It had sapphires in his eyes. It was all covered with gold. There was a ruby in his sword, and it was in the middle of the city. So it was very beautiful statue. How did the prince and the swallow help the poor? How they were helping the poor people? Now the swallow told the prince about the misery of the people. Swallow was a bird who could fly over the city. He used to roam in the city, flew over the city and come back to the prince and told him about the sufferings of the people. And then the prince ordered him to pluck his gold leaf, his sapphires, his ruby and everything to help the poor and miserable people. To whom did the prince send his ruby and why? The ruby gem was sent to whom and why it was sent? The prince sent his ruby to a poor seamstress. Her son was ill. There's a poor lady who used to work of embroidery, or we can say a tailoress. So her son was ill. He was not feeling well, and the son was demanding oranges. But the lady was poor. How could she provide? But his mother had no money. So the prince wanted to help her. So these are a few questions which you can learn, and rest of the questions, the textual questions, you read the chapter thoroughly, find out the question answers. Still, if there will be any problem, we will discuss in our live class. Thank you and have a nice day.